Looking for water. Bobo, go and bring water for your brother, please. Because you will one again who came here.
Mama.
Come. Hold this thing like this. Just hold it to film only me, please. I want to go and harvest this thing. I want to harvest.
I cannot see, so I don't know what I'm filming.
Just hold it. Where is? When there is no set leaf, that's when we talk about it. At least I have too many set leaf here. But if I want to uproot it, set.
Mama, for the crisp.
Right, it's too small. Too much of set leaf. Baba, what is it? I should carry you. I'm harvesting now. Baba, I can't carry you while harvesting this thing. Eh? Is it too small? Too big?
I don't know.
Because your daddy wants more vegetable. Who's that, Chuku? Please come.
It's the perfect size.
Come. Vegetable. Since it's local food, you need need more vegetables. Put this thing inside my car. Come. Take this car key. Take. This car key. Come. Don't put this up here. No, inside my bag that you put it upstairs. All of them. So you're going. Come. I know you don't know. Oh, it's in that one. The one. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Yes. Baba, the one I want to go and uproot there is very difficult. How are we going to do it now? Eh? How are we going to do it? Wait. Stand there. Stand there. I'm coming. 1 minute. Come. Coco! You know how small you are. Now put it together.
Eh?
I hope it's not the clothes you are filming. Don't film that clothes. Just film the one. Film the filming clothes. Sorry. See the one I want to harvest there. Come on. It's only that one I want to harvest. Do you know I would have used this thing as my thumbnail? Always open. Wait. Let me see whether I'll change my thumbnail picture. Is it possible now?
Gigantic. Where's the thing? Where's the cocoyam you're shouting about?
The honor.
On live.
Yeah.
No, that one.
Are you sure you want to
Thousands of views today.
reach thousands of views?
Thousands of views.
Is that what you think? Oh yeah, no.
Yeah.
Hold it. I just want to harvest this particular one. Want to see something. That particular
not wound that cocoyam. You are going to wound that cocoyam. You are going to wound this now the way you are doing it. Now? I long for it now. There's when I saw your friend and prepared for the family. Molester lifestyle. The way they were like, I'm telling you. Hey, go back from there. The way they were hammering it, the husband and the child. There was no need to ask whether the thing there have been no day. I confirmed though, say man, this is confirmed Onubu. You know, all there. Why not? Why we not? It can be imported now. There are no ones that are inside the ground there before you start cutting those ones. Check for the ones inside the ground. This one has so many children. Can use the shoe to keep it. Collect this key. Up there is melon, is a goosey melon that is sprouting. There are two there, and the other one is they are growing big. Under how many days, their thing is just growing bigger and bigger. Nothing will fall this. Let it be there. This time, is there nothing that you can get from it? Or should if you get some minerals or nutrients from it?
I get my remaining biscuits in my wardrobe.
Wait. Everybody who wants in the ground now, it's okay now. There are many there now. Got to leave those ones.
One seed like this, that made this fruit like this.
And I can't there. As in like G. And I ate Kaji. When I call it's one you could scratch. This one even does more than potato. Only one this thing gets all these things. There are still some on that ground. Use your hoe now. What's that? Because there are some you caught when you were bringing out those things, so they'll still be on inside the ground. I have searched for it now. You should be able to see them now. Don't go further. That place is yam. You cannot see anything there. That's all. Then.
Well, you know that fruit that we ate
To go to which farm to go and buy?
That went
Yes, sir.
with what's her name to go and buy.
Yeah.
Is this leaf?
Eh?
Yes, now you don't know.
Are you serious?
Yes, this is the leaf. They cut it sun dry it.
Hmm.
It's them that know this species, but I think it's this species that they eat. Not too sure.
Okay. Come on, you have 10 people here. 10 viewers. In my phone there. That the one we don't uproot before now.
No, this potato is alive. It is from the other side. It's good.
Did you see any potato there? That potato leaf no they die. Sure, I told you now.
Jesus. This one is what we call food. This is the biggest of all.
And the thing no gets big leaf, oh. But it will produce mighty thing.
That's it.
This onubu soup is delicious. You see it. Delicious.
Only this one, we make 3 days soup. 3 days. That those are the soups that we cook. Are you sure? We are going to cook it.
Yeah, go and look for it, Papa. Both of you go and look for it. Go and look for it, baby. Who's should look for it for him? Since he said he didn't take it. Chigogo, Uncle, ask Chigogo.
Take. Let's go.
Video is still on.
I don't know. Maybe
Human rats. Do I have human rats in my house? Do I have human rats?
Please bring me another bucket. Let me wash it. I want to climb my body.
In the afternoon, go and buy that. I'll go and check at that Octavia. Once it's 11:12. This thing now, the drugs now. For cough for him. That's the only thing that is remaining. Hey, leave that place. His temperature is okay now. It's just the cough that is stopping him.
Is that antibiotic? See, enter his body before he vomited it. I'm going to. That's what I'm going to do. Let me show them this leaf. That's the leaf I'm going to use and cook this soup. This soup that I want to cook now. This is the cocoyam. And this is the leaf that I'm going to use, onubo. Though, I've done this one yesterday. I did this one yesterday. I cut it as it is like this. I cut it like this. And then I remove only the leaves. I sun dry it. After drying it, I wash it. If you're washing it, this is bitter leaf. It's very, very bitter. So after washing it, I already put it in the freezer because I can't do all that today. So today is the turn for me to uproot the cocoyam I want to use in cooking. It's just that this cocoyam is plenty. Oh. The soup is going to full drum. The soup is going to full one big drum. Yeah? It's going to full one big drum. This one. So this is the cocoyam. It's going to full drum. Where is your brother now? Who is bringing the bucket for me? So another thing I'm going to use and cook this soup is palm. Yes, I bought got the egg. No, you know, I tasted that also in the village. I liked it. So that's why I bought it this time around. So another thing I'm going to use and cook this food.
That you want to give something. Are you not supposed to go and give them in the office? They are still they are not coming.
Is this one? No, I don't know. I'll go and give them in the office. So this is the palm fruit. Okay, that's what I'm going to use and cook it. So let's just begin. Just cook with me. Sweet, come and help me hold this. Hold it for me. Let me be washing this stuff. I can't be doing all at the same time. The ones that are small, we are going to put it like that. But those ones that are very big, I will go. Go on, where your daddy is. Go and be feeding where your daddy is coming that side.
That's okay.
Go. Sweet, you move the chair. Let me see her. Go. Let me see. Go.
Oh, Gene, why are you disturbing me, Baba? Outside the gate. You threw it.
Do what?
What happened to it? Why is it outside?
You say you saw one of his legs. I'm so
Go and bring it. And you must come with it too. Go there and be clean.
I want to sit down.
Let me bring a chair for you. You can sit down here. And be cleaning what you're doing.
Have you opened the gate? Chigogo.
Oh, yeah, now. Before even now, that's almost the same. Yeah. I thought you have kerosene.
Kerosene is serious. I know people that use it last week.
Who fuel now?
From where?
Not fuel. There's no fuel.
Can you imagine? This engine is still okay.
Huh?
See the color of this engine is still okay. You didn't cover it. You had to cover the one that is condemned.
Come and see, it's very neat.
Where is this? Who threw it outside in the first place?
Probably it's not.
You don't know that this is money that we used to buy this thing. People don't know that we have to work, sweat, and them money. Don't know that. Oh yeah, go upstairs, go and get those paper. Paper.
And there was also to give you paper.
Old books that you have not using again. Old book, any old school book that you're not using again.
Daddy. What the? Daddy. There's just somebody here. Somebody's face. And it's show one. And I'll show you again.
Is it not my face?
Where? This thing here show one and turn to 0.
One means one person. I do like that. I no longer see anything.
Are you sure the thing is still doing like this? You have not pressed something.
No.
1 is 1 that's not showing. 2. 3, 2.
Network, maybe it has people like this.
It's 2. It's 2 now.
Hey, this is loud.
You see how quick? I wanted to say something, but you're on live.
On live. Oh.
You're live. Your waist, all I have is your waist.
Are you people taking breakfast?
Number is 9-0.
The
children.
right.
Mama, is that turn 0 again?
So they have gone now.
So now.
I told you to bring this 1 hour. Just can you imagine? Get out.
Daddy, Daddy.
Daddy.
Sorry.
Daddy. Nobody's there. 1.
2, 1.
1. Just went and come back.
Only one person watching.
So you check all those guys out there. Check whether there's anyone that has kerosene inside. Or check. See that lamp, green lantern. There's kerosene inside the lantern. See that in the cage. That in the cage. Bring it. There should be kerosene inside it.
The second gas cooker. Go and put this thing on top. Cover it.
Mama go now, yeah? If you do anything and this thing should fall on the staircase when you're climbing up, I will just beat you. Take. Oh yeah, come and cook it. When you come down, you go and blend this thing. Blend this pepper for me. that I'll use and cook. I had to wash the garden egg.
Remind me
This
to
is
go
it.
and go so I can see that.
Chidi, go upstairs and look for the tripod stand, please. This thing should stand on its own. Somebody should not be holding it. Be fast. Mercy, sir. Mercy, sir.
Mama, is it all?
Huh?
It's in my bag.
Sweetie, are you going to eat?
How to eat?
Get out. Are you my husband?
You're already shouting.
Are you my husband?
How to eat?
Truly, these people are putting granite in this thing. Hold it. See how it's shining on the surface. Take.
Have you watched that?
Yes, I've washed it.
Sandem.
Take now. Take garden egg.
Sandem. Sandem.
Keep that big one. Keep it. Take your size. Take your size. See your size. Not you. Take. See your size. See your size. You. Take your size. Take your size, oh. Yes. Not that you carry big one when you are small. Excuse. Let me see. Oh yeah, let me dip my own. Ooh.
Small.
You're not going to share with the subscriber. You're going to come and eat now. Wow.
This is garlic egg. This is made from granules. Granite paste.
That one is so and chili.
It's popular in the eastern part of Nigeria.
Yeah.
It's used to serve as cola when you have a guest or visitor.
You serve it to them, visitor. We call it osoji.
Also, means literally means pepper for cola. In other words, it goes with cola.
It's sumptuous. Bring water for me, let me drink.
It's really delicious.
Should you cut some for me now? Let me touch it. Let me touch it. Okay.
Yeah, the water is not for
We are lighting the fire. I want to use and cook. Sweet. Maybe they better tripod them because all the room that day after I made a video. Ngwajideni akanje wetia. Because on you wanna bone debi rearrange. Debe kanje wetia. Let me go and bring it. Come and carry the smaller one and leave the bigger one for your brother. Go and carry the smaller than the head. Give the bigger one for your brother.
Now you share that with it. Why are you taking more water? Is that not the water you just give me now?
Daddy.
I'm wasting my water, Frederick. What's the point? Shh. You're on live. You're on live. You're on live. What's that?
No.
Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, go upstairs. Go upstairs. Yotagun. 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 Hey, get me flat plastic plate, flat one. This so I can be blowing. Come on, hold this thing for me, please. Come on, hold this thing. So I can measuring, watching. Hold it well. Yes, you done. Hold this so I'll be getting it.
5 people are watching.
See where you go, looking this so you can be getting it. Getting fire out of this place is like jam. It's like jam.
Three people are watching the way you're doing way you're on the fire.
5 people. 5 people was there before. Let's see. That is I should hold it.
Blocking it, I'll not see.
7 people.
That is 7.
It's already equal.
Fire is stubborn.
Fire is stubborn, no. Fire is stubborn. We're gonna eat our breakfast. Clean this morning. Give and subscribe. Daddy. Daddy. That didn't fall. I saw it with the camera. Look at this.
You saw it with the camera. Daddy,
3 people are there. 3 people are there.
Carry what?
This is already born, the rhino.
One person is there.
Go and bring all those nylon.
Look.
That doesn't have water. Bring all this.
Look.
Bring that plastic. This one.
Daddy.
Bring
It's
that
low
plastic. Be
power
fast.
mode. Lose. Daddy. Daddy, the phone is in low power mode.
Leave it like that.
I have 3 people. Seven people are not there. My big good happy.
See how it's melting.
One good.
Melting like wow.
Look at.
Stop crying now. We are
Daddy, 1 thumbs up, 7 people watching. Did it thumbs up when the rubber was melting?
and all those plastic. That's on the side of the bush. Bring it. Side it. Fast. Before this one.
13 people. 13 people are here.
Sorry, you are blocking the view.
Daddy.
Go and meet mommy upstairs.
Daddy.
I've
13
fed
people
you.
are here.
Okay.
With 1 thumbs up.
Sorry, go upstairs.
And
Fed
30
it, please.
stars. 9 people now.
Where is Chidebere? Oh, there's no water inside. Oh, yeah, bring that rubber. Everything, bring all the covers.
Has this started catching?
Please. Oh, please.
We are not going to computer to start cooking again.
No. To get it started, no problem.
The life.
The lights now.
No, the life that I'm talking about.
No, let us continue. Let's
7
have
people.
many more watch hours.
If it's Facebook, you say okay, you are looking for WhatsApp, but that's not Facebook. Sorry.
We are sharing. You have cover. The fire is doing somehow.
Yep. Broke the seal of where?
Our football. So, no more football again.
Yes. I cannot remember. So when you took the last one, how many was there? Jesus Christ. Shift.
Daddy, let me shave my kebab.
I hope you are getting this thing.
Yes. Tempe panande.
Where is Chidebere? Chidebere. Where are the robbers now?
4 people. 4 people, 1 good. 1 thumbs up. Yeah. This.
You check that camera very well there. Back and front. You
What are
don't know how
you
to check
pressing?
it.
What are you pressing? Oga, have you washed it? Have you washed the motor? Go and check whether that's aqua boy very
I
well.
hope the rice is over.
The rice is over.
It's done.
It's ready.
It's annoying. Don't clean your leg now. Where's the shit? Clean it, it's not shit. No, should go and clean his leg.
Why you crying like that? No.
We are doing hand and feet. Put
It's
it
okay,
there now.
don't put another one
Put it
now.
there, put
This
it there.
one is okay.
Put
sweet.
it. Put it. It's dirty. Put it. Let me melt. Put all of them.
This thing has already caught fire now. Or you are not seeing the
I
fire.
want it to enter down very well. You know, plastics, the byproducts is getting from petroleum, crude oil.
I know now. You want to teach me chemistry?
10 people are watching and 1 thumbs up.
Baba, bring that over.
I'm still making a hell of money.
Mama, is it this one?
There's no waste in that. No waste in that
No.
venture, that refinery.
Any one of those rubbers.
Everything, no waste. Gas. It now supplies gas.
Eh?
As even the gas, it now supplies gas too, from the crude oil.
You don't know that
Everything there.
they have stages.
I know that they have stages now. Where you get fuel, you get diesel,
during the
you get
fractional distillation of
fuel.
It's in
Of
stage.
crude oil, yeah.
Before they now get to petrol. Petrol, I think, is the softest. I think methane. I think petrol.
I saw that graph the other day. Which one?
Oh, yeah. Show me here. Show me. I'm preparing the vegetable I had to cut. I think
Yes,
those of you that started from the beginning would have seen me when I was cutting this vegetable. I'm preparing it. You see, this is scent leaf. And this is the seed. This is the one that you farm. If you want more scent leaf, you are going to throw this one now on the ground. And it's going to germinate into new one. But it doesn't mean, you can still farm this one like the scent leaf. Scent leaf can grow by seed and by stem. You can still farm this one by roots, all of them. You can put it here now
And start growing.
And this one will grow, yes. You can use here and farm it and it will grow.
No wonder it's growing, boom. Like this. Next year we're going to do serious ugu farm there.
You will be praying seriously.
Ugu. No water now.
Pray very well on that one.
But I'll go and look for that thing they used to pipe that I can connect and be spraying.
They spray water in the
Farm.
Okay.
So that should not be hectic to be carrying water, all about. Pipe and all the spraying so that.
You can even use this room to do mushroom farming now.
Which room?
In a mini scale.
This shop.
Farm mushroom, yes. Harvest it and be sending it. Just like
Yes, they do back here, but I use one of the room to do chicken soup. Put 1,000 beds. You say though they as inside here. For use one of the room, they do put chicken. Pieces. Chicken go like 1,000 beds. Christmas and a good.
I think I cannot carry 1,000 beds.
This thing.
That way.
500.
It can carry maybe 270.
No, what you can carry 500. What happens is that once it gets to 2 weeks, you will sell off some. You get. Once it gets to 2 weeks.
You can carry 500 if that's how you want to do it. You can even carry 1,000
That's what I'm
if that's
saying.
how you want to do it.
You sell off some
But
like that.
what I'm saying is that
Before we sell off
mature
some.
chicken will not, 200 will not
They'll
even
be
enter
big,
that.
they will not have space to move. Put that paper now.
Check the comment people are writing whether there is anyone you need to reply to. Read comments for me. Morimo.
I can see Morimo.
You see Morimo? Maureen is watching us. Morimo TV. What did she write?
Wait, go shift your head. Entertainments are we cooking?
We are cooking. That's she's still there. Maureen, are you still there? We are cooking. Me, I'm even tired when I've not even started the cooking.
There's another one.
Like
the video.
Okay. Like the video.
Let's like it.
Like the video.
And put a thumbs up. So it just comment more and more.
Okay, name is coming.
Just learning this now. Was thinking it's only seed. So she was thinking it's only seed.
Okay.
And she's learning it now.
It's not only seed though. Even the roots. It's not only
Oh,
it.
sure, first, wait.
Even the roots, the stem, everything. You can just uproot one like this and put it in another
Are
place.
you
And it
videoing your
will
mother's
grow.
leg or you are videoing the thing? This boy.
You can uproot it and it will grow. You can
Oh, this.
also farm the seed. This seed. You can farm the stem. As this one is like this, if you go and put it on the soil, it's going to grow. As far as you are watering it,
Come.
make
Entertainment
sure
is
that
here.
you
Shift your hand.
water is always having water. It will just be growing and growing, and you'll be asking yourself, oh more. See my scent leaf there now. See my scent leaf.
No, what are you doing like this? Don't touch anything again.
Scent leaf and onubo, they used to grow by stem, by seed,
Another one have come. She said thank you.
by seedling. Okay. Thank God, my sweetie, my sweet sister-in-law. Me, I don't know whether I went to eat this garden egg to raise all the hunger in my stomach. I'm very hungry, honestly. I can't even wait to finish cooking. What did somebody write again? The
2
reading is
thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
Yes. 11 people are now watching.
11 are now watching.
Yes.
Okay, welcome everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. This is St. Leaf. I don't know if you followed us from the beginning. You have seen when we were cutting it from the farm here. We cut it from the farm there. So we are trying to cook stew with it. Stew. We call it ofa
Another one have come.
banga soup.
Daddy.
That's what
What
we are-
daddy have
The
wrote?
one that wrote it. No, farm.
Okuchuku Joseph.
Okay.
Farm plus
Rice.
white rice. Then
Okafu plus white rice. Then ofe onugu.
Ofo onugbo, that's what we are cooking today. Baba, go to the freezer and bring out the onugbo I washed and put in the freezer yesterday.
Mommy.
Wash it. I'm going to show you guys.
Mommy,
Onugbo is bitter
Mommy,
leaf.
is daddy that send it?
Bitter leaf.
Take
Hmm? I'm going to be cooking 2 things.
12
I'm
people.
not doing anything. Video the vegetable.
12 people. 2.
Mama, I should bring the bitter leaf that is in the freezer. It's inside paint buckets. I put it that small white paint rubber. That's where I put it. Woo! Ofakum. Onye na-ewere ga na-eri ofe.
Mommy.
Yes.
Another one is more and more.
More and more.
Yes.
What did she type? Can you read? You
A
are
number.
5 years, Abi. You should know how to read.
A
6
number.
years, say 5 years.
6 years.
Oh. A number of
Anambra Ofe. Is that what she wrote?
The farm.
And the next one. Good.
You tried to be able to recognize that word, Anambra.
This used to be better. I don't know. He now went back. He was reading something. I was surprised yesterday. Not struggling.
When he did not do any extra lesson, he did not go to school.
I was giving him extra lessons that time, teaching them how to pronounce.
2 months.
How to pronounce words.
The ones that people went for, did he go for that one?
Ask them now. No, but if I take lessons, they will improve better. I think I'll this year. They are not going to school next week. Next week is the midterm break. Yes,
Okay.
I'm going to do
And
lessons.
you have been saying that you are going to go and get teacher for them, but I've not seen
I was
any.
even thinking that some of these cars are to travel with them to the village.
You will just make sure you go with what you could be.
Mommy.
No, when you see.
Mommy.
Go in the leave
What do
it,
you mean?
don't
You
travel.
stay with him.
Mommy.
Only you.
I've told you.
Mommy. Another one is more and more.
You can't give
Mommy.
for me.
Mommy. Mommy.
Eh?
Another one is more and more.
If you want to go, you go with all
Coming
of them.
tomorrow
Yes, you keep
for
going and take care of
my
one for me. I cannot be carrying that boy
own
that is
after
climbing
work.
body like that and be going everywhere.
Mommy.
Wait again.
Yeah?
Coming tomorrow for my own after work.
Are you coming tomorrow? Please do. Do. It's just that you might, if you did not miss the Onubo, you might meet the Ofako. Anyone? That's it. That's the Onubo.
No, you are saying
if
if
you
she
do not
doesn't
meet
miss
the
the
Ofako, you might meet the Onubo. The Onubo is for sure you will meet it because this Onubo, I'm not sure we are the only one that will finish it. Can you see the Onubo I did yesterday? No, I've not finished.
Oh man, until coming tomorrow for my own after work.
This is the bitter leaf.
I've already
Okay,
said
I washed it and put it in the freezer yesterday because I want to cook bitter leaf soup. Oh, you're going to bring the meat for me. Make sure you bring cover that will cover the meat.
Meat.
Yes.
Which one?
The meat I brought back home yesterday. It's because of you I'm putting so many leaves because you said you want the leaf that Jordan.
How we used to do this, I will put this leaf and but ugu must also be there.
Do you know that I told you why they used to put it?
Why? What is the reason why?
Scent leaf. For you to buy scent leaf this quantity, you must have up to, let's say, 2,000 or 3,000. But ugu, one naira is big. Scent leaf they use in cooking ofako. But because of you need more vegetable and scent leaf don't used to come by easily like that. That's why message. They'll just put scent leaf for the scent, then they will put more ugu. But if you have opportunity of using only scent leaf, it's better for ofako. That's what I'm telling you.
Message.
Do you understand?
Mommy,
That's why they do it too. Because
they have
scent
sent
leaf.
a message.
Okay, what did they write? Read it now.
It have go.
They hide it too. I know, so.
Okay, the person hid it.
He said, Jesus, are you
Mommy,
the boy?
another one is
So,
more.
They held it because
Mommy, another one is more. Mommy,
because of the Jesus, yes.
Mommy, another one is more.
Who typed it?
No,
Mommy, Daddy, another one is more. Jesus,
So this is the meat.
you cooking for
See the meat I'm going to use. Or this
I'm not doing the meat too. Show him the meat.
God,
This is the meat I'm going to use.
ebony,
But this one is
Purple.
this thing. Okay, is it because of the onubo? You say, am I cooking for a boy?
Jesus, are you?
Come, Maureen, is it because of the onubo? Or the scent leaf is too much? Or the onubo is too much?
She
Which
said,
one?
Jesus, are you cooking for the whole ebony people?
Which one? My family, these boys are more than Ebonyi people. In 1 week, they will eat what the whole of Ebonyi people will eat in 1 day. Now what for you? You do not know that I have soldiers in the house.
I'm not a soldier.
You are not a soldier.
That like eating.
I like eating. Cover the meat. Go to the freezer. Bring the biggest size of the. Just bring 2 of them.
I'm a soldier that like eating.
What's the stockfish?
This is one that is dry and head. Yes.
Yes.
2.
Where is Usochukwu? Tell him I'm calling him. Tell Usochukwu I'm calling him. I don't understand.
That's why. Thank you.
This boy, your hand is at the camera. I don't know if it's your hand we are filming.
How do you want them to
Boys. My back is spinning.
Where is the khaki? Where you drop the khaki?
Mommy, another one is more.
What did she say again?
Now, I know
Now she know what? Read it.
I know.
You cannot pronounce it. You spell it for me.
UNDERSTAND. I now understand God will keep bringing money for my king to enjoy. For my kings to enjoy.
Amen. Amen.
Go and get me.
Amen. Oh, God will
Imagine
keep
what
bringing money for my kings to enjoy. Amen.
Give me my, go and bring my phone.
You,
Yes.
is this thing not too big for the soup?
No.
Why is it no? Bring the other rubber, Bobo. Bring the other rubber. This fire should have.
I've already
started by
read this
now.
that one.
I now understand God will keep bringing money.
And you not know.
Mama,
And you not understand.
what that should be? The other rubber.
Huh? That rubber, yes. That other pot, safe. Where is Suso? I will beat you this morning now. I'll forget that I'm on Facebook. I will beat you very, very well this morning. Come and carry this pepper and go and blend it upstairs for me and bring it down. Blend everything.
Oh.
Bring the
Every
water
rubber
here.
table, my
And go
slipper.
and bring the apple. I don't know if it's the apple or the head that you bring first.
Oh,
I think
man.
because the two should be ready by now. Bring the apple, bring the head, bring both of them. When I finish with the apple first, I will now bring the head. Bring the both of them. Oh.
Shit. Guys, my back.
Onye na-enwere ego a na-eri ofu owere. Oh.
To keep this enjoyment reading, you have to eat. Let me see. I've already read this the one, and
what
the
is it?
one have not come. I now understand God will keep bringing money for my kings to enjoy. You're making this something.
I'll say again.
What are you videoing? You're videoing the world, you know. Since that time, the world.
No, boy.
You that can film it, collect it now.
He said she carry. I dad just told him to do.
Come
Collect
and
it from
carry.
him so that you can rest.
Come and carry.
7.
Who's that Chukwu?
Ah!
Okay. I thought as much. Whether
Sister
you are
Ella.
doing it for me or not.
Morning, family.
Which one?
Sunday,
The
everyone.
palm fruit. You can shift your chair backwards so that you'll be getting all this place, everything. Bring the palm fruits this side. And you go and bring the, what are they calling it?
Sorry.
Bring it here, bring it here. Remove that cover.
Excuse. Let me see.
Go and bring fruit up.
Got Ake.
Huh? Nice. Be fast. Be fast, I'm waiting for you. Oh, it's fast.
Daddy, you had confirmed. There's
See, this video, this film, is it showing both here and all here? Is it showing everything?
from here to that leaf. From here to that leaf. It's not showing the firewood.
Yeah.
Now we're showing everything except your body.
Except my
Your face. Now it's now showing your body.
I checked for gym. There's one gym.
now. Liar. I can go twice in a week. Let me see whether I'll go and bring them.
Yeah, you go. So it's spa, no,
Go see.
spa
That's what I did. Go see. Go see.
That one why I do the facials, why it goes, no one spoil my face.
we do spa twice.
Wait again.
You get. If you don't do facial, spa will be twice. Spa will be 2 times.
I don't know if this woman. Okay. This is a good one. Take. Alright, so. Man's lying. Who was on fire and the kettle? Maybe 2 cups. Because immediately boy, that's what.
Go. Just put it.
Check eye.
Mama, also Chuku is telling me casting.
Dental there. Eye, you come. I don't like fetal. Kind of cute. Where's there?
Go. Shift that leaf near the motor. Near the motor. The leaf is not showing.
For eye.
It's closer. No.
Did you say I should use everything?
No, sir.
I should not fetch some. Because I wanted to like fetch some of the water.
Go see. See.
That's the original tail.
Mama. Sorry.
I was supposed to buy
He's not. Quiet. Yeah.
Because your daddy is eating or what?
Yes. I want to eat.
Carry this one.
Go, bring for me.
Not good for you. Cough. He's coming.
Go, give me that one.
Don't you Freddy cough.
Freddy, your daddy said they should not do it because of that. You try it. Take.
You can get it. No, dear.
Don't let my hand touch sugar, but the thing is sweet.
That's the big seed.
It's not the BBC that made me buy it. I had to touch it in the market.
They have meat.
Yes, I bite it like this. I say, my God, this one is the one I'm going to buy. Because some people gave me their own sample. I just buy it. They were giving me one. I'll buy it. I say no. I buy another and say no. When I buy this one, I say no. This one has food. Oh.
Throw it away.
See my food. Ah. My body leg. Put water inside this thing and bring it. Put water from that side. Fast.
My big sister.
Which one do you people want to eat first? Rice or soup?
Soup. Is it soup
Rice.
or soup? Is it soup you say?
Sweet. If you want to eat rice first, look at this leaf. I need help. I was doing before. I was removing the leaf.
It's only seed.
Should I put okporoko inside?
Wasn't thinking it's
Only
seed.
inside there. Eh?
Yes.
Don't this okporoko is like that this thing. That's why I have to put water to like put it inside one water like this and wash it. This is the see, throw this thing. Don't let that sand. You see the way I'm doing it. Do it like that and throw it. What is that boy doing like this? Bring that pot. Bring that pot. Keep it.
What are you trying to do? What are you doing like that?
I'm going to pour that in outside. Pour it. Where is the water?
Figo, stop. Drop it. Ready, kissy, bye.
Go and fetch another water. You walk today.
Mom, there's only one person watching now. She's only Auntie Maureen.
You know the
0.
went up.
1.
This thing went up because of the battery now. So people are no longer collecting. They now want it.
0. Every time begging for me small one. Give me that. One. I'm there.
Do you hear what I'm saying? Jump at me doing it. Not
That one.
Where is that white nylon that was here? Is it inside here? That white nylon. I hope nobody threw it. I say you should carry this thing and put on top of this.
Mama, if love is flying, what does that mean?
No,
Yes.
somebody likes the thing.
No, cool. Go be for me. You've not been for me.
Book my Sunday Put my Sunday miracle. Sunday miracle.
Gogo.
Put my Sunday miracle with me. Put my Sunday with me. I put my Sunday with me. Where is the hot water? I know.
Gogo.
Put my Sunday with me. Bring the water.
Gogo. What was the thing I said you should bring for me? You went to go and bring for yourself another one. The first one I said you should bring for me, I've not bring it.
Oh. This one is the cocoyam. The cocoyam is ready. They say there's no smoke without what? Fire. So there must be fire inside here. Is it hot? Is that? Let me touch it.
Gogo.
Just how I want it.
Gogo. Please, I said you should bring for me, you bring it for yourself another
Pour
one.
water here for it. So that people will be learning. So that your wife will not do shakara for people. See how your daddy can cook. I can't do shakara for him. Leave it. It's okay. I tell your daddy now that I will not cook for 5 days.
You see, they have now pour water. So when they are pouring water, you now say, Chi, they say I should. But you, when you're doing your own, you just come and put your hand and carry it. But my own, you say, Chi, they say.
You move your face here. He was waiting for it to boil. That means he was waiting to even kill me. The thing is too hot.
Mommy, I don't know that you should bring for me.
Bring that pot, please. Then you come and carry this onugbu and go and boil. Cook my.
Mommy.
Carry that kettle and pour this water. You see this kettle and all this pot. We are going to wash it after cooking. We are going to wash it together downstairs. I want to teach you people how to wash kettle and pot. Pour the water because you people will do everything now yourself, like I told you. The house I people cleaned yesterday was very nice. I'm proud of you guys. Pour water. Pour water. Mommy will not kill herself. Go and bring will I say first stool or spoon? Bring a stick spoon, that stick spoon. Probably the one that I love to. This thing is hot.
You can't excuse
Mama.
You can't.
Mama.
Oh, that's why you left here. You're eating it.
the apple sweet.
Mama.
The apple sweet dish inside.
Don't worry, I've diluted the water.
You won't carry another one.
Who sent you?
You carry 3, but the one I said should bring for me, you've not bring it.
You want Taki?
Yes.
Excuse me.
Mama.
That is I should not give you. I will not give you. You are coughing. You are coughing, please. You are coughing.
Mama.
That is I should not give you. I'm not going to give you. Yeah, again. You want? Wait, when I finish, I'll give you.
You the only thing you're doing yet for this
How the
one.
bag of pure water is made?
Do you know how many things he has done before?
You go, yeah. Go and check how many bag of pure water.
You came here.
You doing something.
You that went upstairs to go and sit down.
Leave that smoking environment. Leave that smoking environment. You're supposed to harvest potato. Yeah? Three.
Yes.
Who just go? You said your rice is still remaining. Fresh rice now.
No, you are
In that room.
cooking rice. Go and meet your daddy. Sweetie, this boy's body is wet too.
And he's playing water just now.
Please,
Oh, yeah, remove
please,
that clothes
please.
from him. Come, Frederick.
Come and help him, please.
Come, Frederick. Where's the rice? Is it in that room?
Yes.
Come and clean it. Let me see. Come, Frederick.
I don't know if you still need it, that that's what you are doing.
Always the one I say you should give me. Mommy, I'm thank God that you bring for me. You have carried 5, but you have not been for me the one I say you should bring for me.
Three.
No, you come and rest.
4. It's 4. You were with 3 the other time.
Uzo, please give me that bucket fast.
Oh.
You've not been doing anything.
What do you have against Chidebere, please?
Now should I put all the thing inside?
What's inside there?
Water and knife.
Go and point in the farm. Near will go very well. Ugu needs water. Don't throw the knife away. Carry that hot water. Go on my hand. Fast.
You tell me something upstairs.
Go hold that camera. No, Chicago doesn't know how to do this. Let them come out. You are just jealous.
Mama, I want to eat.
Why please not work?
What go bring for me?
Chicago, please bring that water.
This hot water. You see, it's 4, 5. It's not even 4.
It's 4.
Pour water inside here. I didn't say you should pour me water.
God,
Raise
don't
it
rub
up.
it. Don't rub it. Don't rub it on
Pour
the.
it all around. All around. Everywhere. Hey. Good.
Hot water. Yes.
Get it.
Do not boil the hot water very well to avoid skin burn.
It's okay. Stay.
Mommy, you can't white one. The white one should be juicy.
I'm telling you.
Go, give me. You're not giving me. Go.
I'm looking for you.
You're looking for me and you're carrying 5. Eh? Why do like that? Let me go. Say better. Yes, the time that you said I want to add something to your oil.
Where is your dad?
Yes.
Your daddy?
You carry pepper. Yes.
Where do you keep the pepper?
Who's your chuku? Please bring small place for me.
I saw
Let me use
pepper in
and fetch.
hand, and I carry one.
Who's your chuku? Bring
Yes.
small place for me. Let me use and fetch this. I'll put it here. So I can put it on fire. Or you go and put it on fire for me. Bring it. Let me rest it. Bring it. Let me rest it.
Mama, I saw voice message.
Voice message.
Yes.
I don't know when YouTube start having voice message.
Even it's not YouTube. It's his eyes that is having problem.
Like
How did it work?
something appeared.
What do you have in voice message? Because you seem to be antagonizing him all the time. And I don't like it. Even on live video, you're antagonizing him.
Mama, my biscuit, I kept it in my wardrobe when I came to open gates for you. I came back.
Let rats carry your biscuits.
I came back now. I think I've lost.
You have your biscuits.
You're
Let
always
rats.
antagonizing your brother. I don't like it. Gets me angry.
When you busy doing first adjustment.
Fuck, I must eat my biscuit from my wardrobe.
You don't want to for.
Ozuko. Ozuko no.
Please stop fighting.
This one is the one I'll use and cook. I'll cook the meat. It's true.
Please.
Want to eat once. Be doing that. Something you don't eat once in your mouth.
And choke.
You just a joke. Like you. Then, okay, others that eat their own.
I've told you people I don't want to hear that story again, right? Because I don't want to beat anybody.
Go out from there. Because of smoke,
Who's on Chuku?
what you attack.
Who's your chuku? Carry that. What's your here?
There's too much in your mouth. Your mouth cannot control it.
Okay, thank you.
See Saki on the floor. She does too.
The truth is
Later, you match it, you cry. Emmanuel bed toilet. You see against what you will share down.
But stop blocking the video. Oh man.
Who's your chuku? You go rubbish, yeah.
why you're laughing at yourself?
Rubbish.
That's why you're laughing at yourself.
I was not laughing at anybody.
Yeah, sure.
Me alone.
I'm going to see who's your chuku. That I know. See, I'm going to come in. The YouTube guys, you're going to come in. Because one I show me is to talk.
Stop fighting. My big, good, happy, what can we please click? Yes, I'm okay.
Wait, I will teach you.
Overco plus white confirmed Jesus. I now your privacy.
Why you like sitting on the floor?
But your body's blocking the everything.
My body is not big and
Your body is blocking the everything. Who said that thing?
my
Say that.
body is blocking the everything.
Who said it?
Do not
The everything.
I'm not saying the anything.
Better you leave here before I break your head.
They're singing every little single thing to food. You think? Keep that knife.
Oh, leave that.
Every single little break it. Teeth.
I'm trying to do that thing.
Your teeth will break. Mommy's teeth is iron.
Also, my own
Mommy.
is unbreakable.
That's the first time I'm seeing somebody use. Just put ackee inside his mouth and break it.
I can do that thing. You think?
Yeah, you do it. Don't use stone first. Just put it in your mouth and break it.
Just give one from there.
You're going to leave that song. Go and sit down the other side. Guys, sit down that side. That side that cross leg is.
Go. You took me that thing. Very good. Shift your body.
Frederick, get out of here. Get out.
Very good. Your body is.
I will slap you, Daddy, by cutting off your leg.
Put this one. Carry it down. Put this one. Carry this one. Put the bitter leaf on top of fire so that it can cook and the bitterness will reduce. I know it's not your favorite, but forever. You have to let it changes. But I know even though you didn't like it, people like chili like it.
Chebe don't even like
Your
it.
daddy likes it so much.
Who told you?
So, and your daddy is the key in this house. So it's what he likes.
When they draw Okuchuku, Joseph, they put one kind of. I
You're
don't know.
telling me that your
Fork.
blah 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 thing that because you've never touched food in your life. That's why you don't know what it means.
Screw. I don't know. When. Mommy. Three people started watching when it was quiet.
This is cocoyam.
Mommy, you start talking. One person have come.
This is cocoyam. Just keep quiet and be feeling that it's not talking. This is cocoyam.
Hmm. Sorry. Shift your head. Move. Come out from the video. Shift your head.
I saw you.
You're the one that told me so.
Four people are watching.
You
Mommy.
think?
Who's that, Chuku?
I see.
Be removing this leaf one after the other.
Mommy, I want to go and blend pepper and cover that pot of
Oh, yeah,
fish.
blend the pepper. Be
Blend
fast.
your head.
It's boring.
You're the one that want to break my spinal cord.
God, you know his mommy insult.
Eh?
Because mommy say blend last, and you not come and say blend your head.
Yes, yes. He said yes, Mama. Yeah, yes.
It's not me he's talking to. He's talking to me. No, 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 no. Just like he told me several times that you should stop insulting yourself.
Ah,
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 15, 15.
all banana.
1,
Daddy go is all banana.
12, 21. 1 to 1. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 12, 15.
5 times 4 days, 5 times 5, 10 times 5 times 6, 7 times 5 times 7, 8, 4, 5 times 5 times 10, 50, 5 times 11, 5 times 6, 60. You see, I know 5 times.
More than shit.
It's 4 times, but it's even hard.
They are seeing you, you're punching me. See, they start going 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Two.
You both should stop. Yes, but you can't beat one person. The other person is useless.
After this.
I think if that this thing should be ready to off it because this leaf I need to do it. But I want to finish this cocoyam before I start.
This video is going to take very long.
No, after this cocoyam now, I put the meat and the coconut on fire. Put it on fire here. Go upstairs and go and cook.
I will not video upstairs.
Yeah? Go upstairs and go and continue.
Someone is beating me on my back. Mama, 5 people are watching, now it's quiet.
Leave the food. Stay this way. Adjust your chair. Because the main thing is the filming here that we are cooking. Don't go and be filming down there. Just film your own space.
You're watching cartoon. Mommy, it's only you that is doing this thing, doing this one, doing this one, doing this one all at once.
people, who will help me? Anytime I finish, who will help me?
No.
There's machine that used to peel back off. You said there's machine peeling back off. At least if you're eating this cocoyam, you're sure it's cocoyam you're eating. If you go and buy it, the one that they blend in the market, you don't know what and what they are eating inside. Because people now, the way that people are looking for money is just terrible. People cannot just.
It's a bad thing to buy where many people. It's a bad thing to buy where there's no person there. Like nobody's there. Only that person is selling there. Only the person and nobody. That place is dark in the night.
What are you even looking for where is only one person that is there?
Please do not make noise. So that's your own in it. Going.
Only 4 people. Uzo? Yes, ma'am. Have you finished blending the pepper? Bring my gift for me. Come. You're talking to him to be as if he's doing another thing. I don't understand. Are you hearing me?
To reduce the bitterness of bitter leaf, boil it after washing it.
If I finish boiling it now, I'll pour that water out. I'll boil it again. Second round. Uzachuku!
Yes, ma'am.
What did I say you should bring?
Maggie, I don't see.
And that's why I was telling you, come. Because I want to tell you where you will see it.
This is simple.
What?
That fuck.
Your faku. Pour away.
Nope, not everything.
You went to cover it.
Yes.
Did I cover it here?
No.
Why did you cover it?
I don't know.
Have you opened it?
Yeah.
Is your daddy not upstairs?
It's up.
What?
Did he pour plenty?
No.
See, bring that towel clean. That one there. Go and clean. Why are you filming there? Go and clean the gas. Please clean it. Let it be very clean. Then the Maggi is back of this staircase. Back of that oven that is there. There is carton of Maggi there. Take 1 packet from inside. Bring 10 for me, please, so that I can start spicing things.
Up.
I did night too. I did night shift today. I'm coming back this morning. Well,
But you could go and clean the gas, clean the floor. In fact, off the gas, clean it very well before you on it. Keep it on the floor there.
Yeah, I know that one. Morning, body, no, morning, body, no.